I've designed the syllabus schedule as a tool to help you succeed in Chem 118. I want you to do well in this course, and so I am providing the formula for you to follow in order to be successful. Please follow my advice now so that you can be proud of yourself for reaching your goals. It's important that you schedule at least 2 hours a day after our class, plus at least 4 hours each day on the weekend in order for you to have enough practice on chemistry problem solving to do well in this class. After you schedule the recommended amount of time, you simply need to follow the prescription for success found in your syllabus and in the infographic. Here is the prescription in visual form on the infographic. For best results, you should read the textbook sections first. The textbook section for each day's topic is found in this column. Watch the lecture video and complete the associated activity worksheet. Then come to the class meeting or meet with a study group or come to office hours and spend time working and discussing chemistry with your group and with your instructor. As soon as you can after discussing and working with others, you should try to finish any loose ends in the activity worksheet. You should also review the entire activity to reinforce the learning that happened earlier. Then submit the finished worksheet on Gradescope. After you have reviewed and completed the activity, then as soon as possible, reread the textbook sections and do the problems at the end of the chapter. You should write out the questions and the answer to each of the textbook problems in a notebook. Then check the answer key. The answer to the odd-numbered questions is in the back of the chapter, and the answer key to all problems are available on Blackboard. I recommend trying to do the odd-numbered problems first, then check the answer. If you're not getting the correct answers on your own, that is a sign that you do not understand the reading. You should go back, reread the section, and then try the even number. Every even number is similar to the odd number just before it, so even number questions give you a second chance at learning the problem-solving strategy. It's critical to learn the strategy, not just get to the correct answer. If you know how to solve the problems, you will be able to apply that strategy to new problems on exam day and in your more advanced classes. After you learn the strategies in the assigned sections, it's time to do your Achieve homework assignments. You should aim to get Achieve assignments 100% correct on the first try. If you are not getting the answers correct on the first try, you don't know the material yet. I have set up Achieve so that mistakes do not penalize you too much. Achieve is a learning tool, but you should remember that you won't get second chances on exam day. It is in your best interest to take these Achieve assignments seriously and aim for 100% correct answers on the first try. In order to get 100% success on your Achieve, you really must do the textbook problems first and understand the material well. It's tempting to skip the textbook homework since there is no one looking over your shoulder and forcing you to do it, but you will regret your procrastination later. Do this for yourself. You'll make yourself proud when you do well on your first exam by following this prescription. You can complete my daily prescription for success by taking good care of your body and your mind. It's crucial for you to sleep so that your brain can learn for you. It is also a good idea to feed your body well and get some exercise every day. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. On the weekends, you should schedule at least 4 hours to do additional textbook problems and other assignments that are part of this course. The weekend textbook problems are listed in this column. For example, after the first week of classes, you should do all the problems listed here in the back of Chapter 1. After the second week, you should do those problems in Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. The weekend work will take you at least 4 hours during the weekend. Remember that you should check your answers with the key only after you write down the answer and honestly put effort into solving the problem first. Beware, if you are relying on the key to answer the problems, You're cheating yourself, and you will certainly regret this on exam day. Please don't cheat yourself. Learning is hard, and it is normal to be at least a little frustrated while you are learning. Please push through this frustration so that you will find success. However, if you are very frustrated or confused, it's not normal, and you should seek help immediately. Make an appointment with me as soon as you can so that I can help clear up any misconceptions and help you get on the best path for your success. I'm here for you, and I want you to do well. So please make an appointment with me immediately if you feel lost or want advice. The link to my office hours schedule is on the left-hand toolbar. The times I'm recommending, that is 2 hours on the weekdays and 4 hours on weekend days, are just a starting point. You may find that you need to spend more than this on your work or less. You'll find that you need more time, especially if you are not using efficient work habits. When you are working on chemistry, close all other devices and turn your phone to do not disturb. You cannot learn chemistry while your friends are texting you and you're streaming Netflix in the background. The time I recommend will be sufficient if you're focused, well rested, and motivated to learn.